everybody, Chris of Coalition Gaming here, and today we're actually in the middle of a stream right now, but we're going to be building the giveaway computer that Heartbreaker TV won over on Twitch. So with that said, let's go over the parts here. So we ended up with the EVGA X58 SLI3 motherboards, 8 gigs of DDR3 1600, a 6-core 12-thread Xeon W3680, fully overclockable as well. So that's great for the main board and its parts, and you can hear some of the stream stuff happening in the background. But the graphics card right here, what was awesome about the stream is everybody pitched in, our friends, viewers, subscribers from YouTube, followers on Twitch, that we were able to upgrade the components a little bit. So we were able to go from what we had originally budgeted for, was a 1050 Ti, to a GeForce GTX 1060. It's the 3GB version, but even though it's 3 gigs, it still stomps a 1050 Ti. So this is nice. It's the Asus dual version, dual fan is what it means, not dual GPU, but it's white, so it actually matched this case really well. Speaking of the case, this is the RaidMax Monster 2 SE Tempered Glass Edition case. So definitely thanks to RaidMax for sending this one over, sponsoring the giveaway with that. Got to support those small, or not the small companies, but the companies that support the small guys, because that's really awesome. Cooler Master as well joined in on that. They sent those parts over there. Got a couple of RGB fans, and not the heatsink behind it. That one I bought separately, so that was actually part of the budgeting. We were able to get a decent cooler instead of a stock cooler, which is cool. EVGA 600 watt power supply, just a standard regular power supply, and LED strip. Something else that's going to spice up how this looks is sleeved black and white extensions for the power supply. So once it's all said and done, I'm sure this is going to look great and it's going to run great. As far as storage goes, we have a 128 gig SSD and a 500 gig spinner. This is a 7200 RPM, even though it is a 2.5-inch drive. So with that said, I guess now it's finally time to build. And if you guys are just catching this now and you wanted to watch the long form of what we're doing, there will be a link in the description below where you can watch the full thing from the stream. Oh my goodness. Okay, it's the rear fan, not the top fans. So eat that, nab. There's not enough space between here and here with the fan in. So here we got the Asus dual GTX 1060, dual fans, not GPU. I mean, it should go without saying, but it is sort of misleading, I guess. But 1063 gig card, I think this is going to look really nice in this case, as it really seems to fit the aesthetic. White and black, so yeah, let's drop it in there. Only problem, doesn't come with the backplate. Backplate would have been nice, especially since once it's installed, the shroud is facing down, so damn chair, man.
You broke it.
Yeah.
You broke the chair?
It's been slowly breaking.
What the heck?
So that does it for the build. I know I've said that a bunch of times amongst all the other build videos, but really that's it for this one. I can't begin what to say here. I'm already at a loss for words. This is a really good looking case. Well, with the proper lighting and the way we have it set up, I just gotta say this is really nice. The way the Cooler Master Master Fan 140 and 120s look in this case is just amazing. But even better is we got the Air Goo LED strip plugged in to the Cooler Master RGB controller blocks. So the fans would be perfectly in sync with the LED strip. And I think that really adds another level to how cool this looks. We also managed to put one of the fans on the CPU cooler because the one that came with was just a plain red fan, and I wanted everything synced up. I wanted to see how good I can get this to look. Worked out. So great. My only feedback to the Cooler Master fans there is there's not enough ports on their block. There are 4 ports. We have 6 fans. I mean, not many people run just 4 fans in a computer case, but hey, Cooler Master provided them for the giveaway, so props to them. Thanks for supporting us. Thank you Raid Max for the case for supporting us. Thank you everyone who donated on the 24-hour stream, and everyone who supports us to do stuff like this, because we like to give back. I love to build stuff like this. Wayne helped out, and Wayne's just telling me as well how great this looks, especially with the panel on. So anyways, if you guys like this video, click that like button, click that subscribe button. We always have more coming, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.